Ang isang kapatid natin from Ukraine. Yung aeroplano ko, lumipad, binaril, nahulog. Dumating ang mga tulisan, kinuha ako at ang kasamahan ko. Pinaggigilit ang leeg namin, duguan kami. Pati ako, sinama na. Nag-iyakan ang mga kapatid. Pero tumakbo ang isang babae, papunta doon sa umiyak na mga kapatid. Dala-dala yung scarf ko na pula na puno ng dugo. At sinabi niya, "Don't worry, he is alive." Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Hindi pwedeng patayin ang mensahe. Kahit na mawala ako dito, ang mensahe ko ay nananatili. Lalaganap sa buong sanlibutan. Why all of these sufferings? Why all of these storms? Why? Because even though I am the Son, I learn obedience through the things that I suffered. Kaya yung pain, suffering, at pagkatapos yung sacrifice, hindi nawawalang element yun sa Kingdom Nation. Why? Because we have too much blessings. Baka lumaking masyadong ulo natin. Kaya nga, kahit hindi ako mayabang, ang pagsasalita ko, talagang bold ako magsalita. Ano yung perception na iba? Pakayabang mo, Kibuloy. Hindi ako mayabang, talagang ganun lang ako magsalita. Mabait ako. Hindi ko nga tinataas ang bangko sarili ko, ha? So, ganyan ang ating mga ministry ngayong huling araw na ito. That's why the Kingdom Nation is a sharing nation. It's a giving nation. It's a nation of people who have repented and have received a new spirit of obedience to the Father's will. We are a nation of givers. Givers of love, givers of sympathy, givers of compassion, givers of kindness, givers of anything we can help our fellow citizens and fellow human beings. Ngayon, ang pagtulong ng Sunshine Philippines Movement and Children's Joy Foundation, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa buong sanlibutan. Our last frontier that we are focusing to help are the children of Africa. Napaka-pobre at napaka-kaawa ang mga tao doon. Kaya, tinutulungan na rin natin sila. Pinapakitaan na rin natin ang kindness. Hallelujah. Goodness, love, peace, joy, kindness, goodness, meekness, long-suffering. Oh. Those languages are not understood by the world. Those languages are not understood by the world. That if they see that happening, they will even malign you. At sasabihin, meron pa palang mga taong katulad ninyo? Meron pa palang mga taong katulad ninyo, tumutulong sa kapwa na walang hinihinging kapalit? Meron pa pala, taga saan ba kayong planeta? Yan, ang tao kasi ngayon, wala na eh. Puro na mainggitin, puro na mga traidor, puro na pagkitaan mo ng pag-ibig, ang ibabalik sa iyo, kasamaan. Ganyan ang mga tao ngayon. Pero huwag tayong matinag. Huwag nating itago ang kabutihan natin. Doblihin pa natin. Overcome evil with good. Let us love our fellow human beings. What is the commandment of Jesus Christ that we have to follow? Love God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your strength, with all your soul. Love your neighbor as yourself. Love your enemies. Do good to them that hate you. Pray for them that persecute you. Yan ang ating pag-uugali sa sanlibutan ito. Huwag tayong matinag sa kabutihang ginagawa natin. Pabayaan natin ang ministry ng demonyo, magpapatuloy siya kung gusto niya. He came forth to kill, to steal, and to destroy. But the Son of God came to give life, life more abundantly. So, leaders of the Kingdom Nation, I am commissioning you, and I am sending you as sheep in the midst of wolves. Be wise as serpents and be harmless as doves. You go forth with that commission in your heart and mind, that the love of God that encompasses the humanity of people. Wherever you go, they need salvation. They need compassion. They need love. They need kindness. They need goodness. When your innocence is assaulted, be careful not to become like them. Be careful not to become bitter like your enemy. Love is always there. And don't worry about protection. God is going to provide protection for us. He will provide protection for us. He will send men and women that will be able to defend the kingdom nation. He will send men and women who have a heart like us that will uphold the righteousness of God, whatever it costs. Hallelujah. So I was